So the next dish on the Hatsie's Cook and Dine is we're now going into the main course. So this is exactly the same way that we do our turkeys and stuffing in James Street and Hatsie's for Christmas. And all it is really, we have steamed the turkey off. It's been stuffed with the stuffing, rolled and seasoned, and then we steam it through our oven. We take it out, when it's chilled down, we portion it up, we put it into a backpack bag, we put some butter into it, and then all you're going to do at home is then just drop it into gentle simmering water for 12 minutes. With our vegetables, we've got our carrots, which have been pre-cooked, we've got our fondant potato, which is pre-cooked, we've got our ham hock, our Brussels sprouts, with a little bit of butter there, and they're all seasoned, ready to go. With the turkey here, it's just so moist. And I always get this problem where people cook a turkey and next thing they don't rest it enough. And as a rule, normally a whole turkey you'd leave for a good 35 minutes, cover it in tin foil, a couple of cloths, keep it warm, and try to give it as much time to rest as possible. But with this one here, it's virtually in the simmering water, as I said. You bring it to the heat, 12 minutes, nice and slow. You don't want to boil it, and then just take it out of the bag, and you're ready to go. And it's absolutely beautiful. So first thing we're going to do is put the fondant, the carrot and the Brussels sprouts 180 degrees for 15 minutes straight into the oven. Brilliant. Then we've got our lovely gravy here, and it's portion size, so every portion you order you'll get exactly the same things, and that's where we are. So even if it's just a cut down in containers and wastage, sometimes we'll double up in containers. So it's a bigger tin foil or a larger container for what it may be. So that's 2 ounces of gravy, and we'll just put that in ready to go. And then once again, this is all made by ourselves. There's no flour, it's purely natural, and it's all brought down and reduced, so it's really intense flavour. So it's perfect that way there. So we're gonna have that to the side. With the turkey, we're gonna drop the turkey into the water, ready to go. We'll take the cover off and then put the bag and the turkey into gentle simmering water, and that's exactly what you want, and you leave it there for 12 minutes, nice and gentle. So the vegetables are ready to go. The fondant, the carrot, the Brussels sprouts and the ham hock are ready to go. I'm just about to take them out of the oven. Very hot, of course. Right. So there's our vegetables there. They've been cooked off, 12 minutes in the oven, ready to go, ready to serve. Regarding our turkey, all I do is get a set of tongs, take the turkey out of the water. You can see how the butter's all melted and gone into it, and it's very, very soft, beautifully cooked, very gently cooked. And all we're doing is a pair of scissors, and we're just going to take it out of the bag, just like so. Just slide it out like so, and it goes, and all that juice you want all over. So that's all the flavour there, absolutely beautiful. And then with the vegetables, very simply plating up. So your fondant onto the plate, like so. Your turkey, like so. Carrot, and then the sprouts. Now once again, you can serve the sprouts in a side dish, or you can serve it on the plate, it's up to yourself. Or if you want to, just serve the turkey and put all the veg on the side plate, it's purely down to yourself. And the ham hock, and most people say like there's not really too many ways you can, make it look absolutely amazing, but to me the whole way I look at it is very simple. It's good home cooking, as the saying goes, and beautifully done. And then all we're going to do, just with the gravy we had, just going to pour it over the top like so, and then that's it. Unbelievably simple dish. And with this here also, on our website, you can actually order more sides if you wish. It's down to yourself.